What's this again? Welcome back to my channel, and today, y'all, is Vlogmas Day 4. Yes, y'all. So today I'm gonna be doing a cooking video with y'all. So on the menu, we're gonna make pasta. So y'all be back to y'all. But before we get to this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get them that. Okay, so yes, guys. So I'll back to y'all when I get the ingredients ready. Okay. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna tell you what's gonna be. It's gonna be mashed potatoes with some macaroni and cheese. So I'll get back with y'all when I get the ingredients ready. Alright, I'm back. So got some Parmesan cheese. Ketchup. Two potatoes I'm gonna boil in this pan. So let me just set it right here. I can bake y'all when I get the water boiling. Also, I think I tell you I had some salt. So get back to y'all when the water boiling because it boils slow. So I'll get back to y'all. Alright, guys, so my water is boiling, period. I might go wash the dishes while it's boiling so I can show y'all the process because I'm doing a cooking video. I'm doing a cooking video. So y'all making pasta with some mashed potatoes. Good, right? But I don't know how to make mashed potatoes, so I will look it up and I'll get back to y'all when the water finishes boiling. Because the water, and then I'll show you the process. So I'm waiting for the water boiling, so I can put the pasta in there and then cook. I'll show you that. So the water boiling so slow, so I'll get back to y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna put the pasta in the water because it's boiling. And I'm gonna continue washing dishes. So let's do it. I'll get back to y'all with the pasta because I can't hold the camera and do it. So as you see, put the pasta in there. And I'll get back to you guys when I'm done with the dishes for real, okay? Sorry, y'all. Alright, so I'm cutting potatoes, peeling potatoes. So this, y'all, I was talking to myself the whole time. But this is how you peel potatoes, right? You just cut it like this. Right? Alright, I'll get back to y'all when the potatoes are peeled because when I peel my potatoes, I take a long time. So, yeah. Guys, I just cut the potatoes and stuff like that. I'll be back when I show y'all the ingredients. I really will be back, but I'm gonna let those cook for a minute. I'm gonna show you how to make the macaroni and cheese, and after that, I'm gonna show you how to make the mashed potatoes. So I'll get back to y'all when the macaroni is done. Alright, guys, I'm back. So I'm cooking. My pasta is done. I let it. Okay, so right now I'm gonna drain it and then I'm gonna put it in cold water. Cold water. Oops. So yeah, you guys. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to add some tomato sauce and then leave it cold. Okay, now allow it to make ketchup. So I'm gonna leave this cold. So right now, I am gonna whisk the ketchup. I'm gonna leave this like, you know, kind of hot. I like it like so. So right now, I'm going to add this. Okay, better catch up. Sincerely, no tomato sauce. Alright, y'all. I mean, we don't. Oh, we did have some tomato sauce. Hold on. Oops. So my stuff is boiling. I don't like it that much. Yeah. I got that with it, but I get you, man. Alright, so, hold on, I'm gonna taste it. Not bad. So I'll be back to y'all when I'm done washing this shit, and I can show y'all the rest of the stuff. Alright, guys, my thing is ready. It's like cooking. It's cooking, you guys. So right now, time to add the Parmesan cheese into it because a lot of people say they don't make spaghetti with Parmesan to make it cheesy. I do because I love Parmesan. Parmesan is my favorite. But yeah, guys, I'm making it with Parmesan. So I'm gonna taste it. I feel smoke. Right. So I'll get back to y'all. I'll get back to y'all when the potatoes are done so I can mash it up, period. Alright, that's not back. Oh, sorry. But I'll really be back. So the potatoes gonna take a long time, so yeah, wait. And see y'all. Somehow y'all enjoyed this cooking video. Period. I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm sorry. My camera cut off. But right now this is my potatoes. Sorry. To boil. And stuff like that. I don't have my camera cut off. How? Pretend I didn't see that. But how did my camera cut off? How? Please tell me, how did the girl camera cut off? Let's go this way. Tell me how. I don't know. But we ain't gonna get to that. So I'm just gonna put the clip I did I'm gonna put, I don't know how I'm gonna do this video. Yeah, I could put the clip. See, guys, my camera cut off. I don't know how, but I am waiting for my thing to boil so I can mash up this potatoes. And I think I might do a slash mukbang. Yeah, people like it, huh? Like it. Yeah. But anyways, we ain't gonna get to all these, so yeah, how was school today, y'all? I'm still confused how did my camera cut off. Can you help me? Help me understand. I want to give a big shout out to my cousin Kosi because he worked so hard to edit some videos for me. I mean, this is good. Hold up, how did it look? Awesome, looks good. It's like a mystery Harvard holiday welcome. It smells like peach. It smells like peaches stuff. It smells good. But yeah, shout out to Nicholas. He did so much for me, and I love it. Thank you. But please give me to 1 million subscribers so I can get that freaking platform and get that money. Ching ching. Okay, let's go check on this. Potatoes. I'm still not understanding something. What's it supposed to be? Alright, y'all, it's almost done. So yeah. I'm so sorry, y'all. But I'm put the previous clip. I mean, if I put 2, I don't know how to. But you guys, I don't know how the heck did my camera cut off. Baby, nobody called me because I told him I was gonna call him at 6 o'clock. Baby, call him at 6 o'clock. Anyways, ciao. See you guys. I'm gonna cook. But anyways, right now I am cooking. I'm making dinner. Yeah, I just told y'all. So I'm still don't get it. I'm my camera cut off. But like, y'all don't mind the bumps. I'm going to put on this face mask on my face, so my face will be pretty tomorrow. And I might go out. I don't know how the vlog gonna be. It's gonna be a day in the life. It's gonna be a Vlogmas day 3. Oh, I should do it. But let's check on these potatoes though. That's my idea tomorrow, y'all. And I want to taste it with y'all. Oops. Okay. Alright, they're done. So right now, oh y'all. Better watch out. I'll get back to y'all when these potatoes are done because I almost burned myself. Alright, guys, I'm back. So right now, I'm about to empty up the water. I had to empty up the water. Hold up. I'm gonna leave, hold on. I'll be back, y'all, when I get my stuff. Alright, guys, it says, butter and milk. So, I'll get back to y'all when I put the butter in and the milk, period. Alright, guys, I'm back. So, I'm done my mashed potatoes. Okay, right now, this is my mashed potatoes. I mean, it doesn't have salt. I think it has salt. I don't know. I'm gonna put some mashed potatoes in here. I'm gonna put a lot of them because I'm gonna eat a lot. Be good. If it wasn't for my grandma, I don't know what would I be doing. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished product. I mean, there's not too much. I mean, I'm gonna put some ketchup on my pasta. Some ketchup on my... Some ketchup on this pasta. She put some gravy, but I don't know how to make gravy. And I'm gonna add some salt. Okay. So yeah, comment me. Okay, yeah. Comment me some video ideas to do tomorrow. Get ready for that VLOGMAS day 5. Yes, it's gonna be me, myself, and I. And oh shoot, that's how my plate looks like. Period. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. So thanks for watching, Saya Gang. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, you know, gang, we out. Period. It's like not period. Gang, we out. What it do, what it be.